What's up everyone? So today we are gonna add some power to the Tacoma. We got that box right there. We've already done another performance modification over there. Hopefully you saw that video. Went up before this one. Let's go ahead and add some more power to the truck. You actually might have to help me get this out. It's a box within a box.
Must be
within a box.
Must be really cool.
So this is it, guys.
29 horsepower.
I don't know if we're gonna see that or not, but it is
I doubt it, but
it's gonna definitely open up the engine a bit more, I hope. On my 07 Tacoma, it sounded pretty good.
yeah. Did you feel any power with the 07?
If I did, it was like right at the higher RPM, like the highest RPM range possible. It's not gonna give you a low end power by any means. What do we got here? Well, we got another license plate and instructions, which we don't need.
So many goodies. Look at that. That is this airbox.
Airbox.
Dang. Sweet.
So this is just the connection pipe. And there's our cool filter.
Yep.
Hey, it's blue. It matches the truck.
Sweet.
That's pretty cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They didn't even show that.
All right.
I'm assuming, so we have to take this off because this is underneath it.
Yep.
We got a huge box right there. You even see a bolt for this? I still want to be careful though. Oh my gosh. Really?
Well, that was easy.
All right.
So we got a bolt, a hose, a bolt, a plug,
Another bolt.
another bolt. We have to take the air filter out to get to the 3 bolts in there. And I think that's
Let's get started. We just removed everything we just showed you, of course. So we're gonna slide this off. Oh, you know, we didn't get, we got this hose, but we didn't get the whole clamp off. We gotta break that seal with a flathead.
So yeah, the clamps that we told you about, there's a bolt on the back side of the air filter down there. The airflow sensor has a few clips, and that's about it.
There we go. So you just gotta break that loose. There we go. We're disconnected everywhere, right?
Yeah. That was pretty simple.
That's very simple to do. Hey, look at that, 5,000 miles.
Not bad.
Still pretty clean.
And then just 2 bolts.
Now the only, there we go.
That's it.
So easy.
That literally took 5 minutes. Here you go, a new Tacoma without an air intake. That was ridiculously easy to take right off.
There's actually some things from the stock intake that we need to take off. We have the mass airflow sensor, which I'm working on transferring. So now with it out, we'll go ahead and place it in the new pipe. It only goes in one way. And then we'll use the supplied hardware. Now that we have the mass airflow sensor in, our next step is to pull these sleeves out to put them in the bottom side of our new box. So the sleeves that are on the inside has this rubber on the outside and then the steel portion on the inside. What we're doing is taking a flathead to push this out first. That way we can just kind of get the rubber portion out easier, and see, it just comes out just like that. Then we can just kind of squeeze it together. I'm gonna start with this one here and do my best to pinch this. Let me use that flathead, just not to rip it or anything. There we go. And then we just push that metal sleeve right through. Our next step is to wrap this rubber seal around this spot here. It looks like it's just gonna clamp on. Do you think we'll have to cut some?
Yeah.
Yeah?
About an inch off.
Dang, okay. Something that can cut through a little bit of metal. These ought to do. I'm sure scissors would have worked.
Measure twice, cut once, right? Well, I measured once. It's already cutting.
First part of the reinstallation is to put all 3 of these bolts back in. So we'll line this up with kind of where the other one went, right at this hole on the side. So this didn't have new bolts, we have the stock ones. We'll go ahead and slide this in.
Yep.
Like that.
Yep,
So
that kind of
it'll-
locks in place.
Okay, I just need to kind of push it in there, I guess. There we go. With the air filter in, we'll go ahead and grab this section. And I think we can put this in before. Why don't we go ahead and put all that on?
All right.
So when we lay it down and push it in, that's all set. So let me go grab that. Let's see, this is gonna aim this way. We'll put this little coupler on. I might need a second here. All right, so this is actually very, very easy to put on. It's not like a hard plastic. It's like a
It's a soft
pliable, soft rubber, yeah. So we got that one. Now grab the other one for me. We'll just put it on.
What's the orientation of your clamp?
I got them facing us.
Alright.
Yeah. Don't you want to put that on here though? Put it on that one. Well, no, that'll work. But I'll just start on the back side, I guess.
Did you get the coupler on it?
Not yet. Okay. What do you mean? No, yeah. I'm not on the back side just yet.
No.
I got to work my finger around that.
Be careful of it.
Boom. Yeah, look at that. I just got to push it on now. It's not on actually. Now it's time to reinstall the mass airflow sensor. We have all the other clamps tightened securely. It's usually easier to pop that on than it is to get off.
And the breather hose.
Yep, that'll just go on the back side. That has its own clamp.
I think it looks pretty good under here.
Oh yeah, let's see. It should look pretty good. So this is gonna go in like the 07 did, you know, loop around that. And then give it CPR. Come on, man. Hey, that actually worked. So just give your truck a little CPR. So now it's time to do a quick startup, and then tomorrow morning we will show you guys more details out in the sunlight. All right guys, so it's the next day. We can go ahead and show you everything out in the natural light now. The overall install was actually really easy. It took us like 5 or 10 minutes to take everything out, and assembling everything together before we actually reinstalled it back into the truck is actually what took the longest. And then putting the bolts in to hold this in kind of took a little bit of time, but everything else was pretty easy. Overall fitment looks really good. Sound clips will be coming. We'll have a before and after of the stock versus this one, so definitely stay tuned for that video. So I really like the intake, the way that it looks.
I think a good thing is it's designed like the stock one, so you have a full air block connecting to the fender, and you can even get a scoop that'll actually suck some fresh air in the grill, so it's actually a colder intake rather than one with an open air filter, so it's not just sucking in hot air. So you're getting, hopefully you'll see some performance gains and better sound, and it's actually doing an efficient job, which that's pretty good. Yeah, so we'll see. Again, make sure to check out that video after this one. But yeah, there it is, adding an intake to the Tacoma. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next video.